Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make Peter Griffin in Infinity Craft. Let's get started. First things first, take water. Then take water again. It will make lake. Then add earth to it. It will make a swamp. Then add earth to it. It will make mud. Then add swamp to it. It will make quagmire. Then take water on other side. Then add fire to it. It will make steam. Then add steam to it. It will make a cloud. Then add cloud to it. It will make rain. Then add cloud to it. It will make rainbow. Then add mud to it. It will make pig. Then add fire to it. It will make bacon. Then take fire on other side. Then add fire to it. It will make volcano. Then add volcano to bacon. It will make baconator. Then add baconator to quagmire. It will make Peter Griffin. Voila! And that's how you make Peter Griffin in Infinite Craft. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Infinite Craft videos. Thanks for watching.